Hey guys, Mr. Destructo here. I'm showing you my bird, just a small video. I actually have like 5 birds around the house. To hold them. This is the bird seed I use. I use the one for cockatiels because he's still pretty small. He'll get bigger. There he is. He's like orange, yellow, and on his tail he's got some blue on his tail. And on his wings. When there's blue on a sun conur's wings, that means that they're getting their flight feathers and you need to get them trimmed. There he is. Want to say hi, Phoenix? By the way, that's his name, Phoenix. Say hi, Phoenix. I also have like 2 parakeets, a cockatiel, and I also have a cockatoo. I also have about 3 fish tanks. Just a short video of my bird Phoenix. What are you doing?
All you did was make a big bass tail and that's it.
Alright. Peace.